Good morning guys, and in front of me is XIAOMI 15T Pro, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So first of all, enroll the settings, then find and select About Phone, scroll down and mark Backup and Restore. And here under Google Backups, just mark Backup, and now you can smoothly activate your backup, obviously if you already have your account added. If not, you will have to log in at first and then just mark data that you wish to backup. In my case, it's both photos and videos along with other device data. Tap on confirm and that's it. If you wish to manage your backup, just mark manage, and here you've got everything. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.